हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। आज हम करेंगे सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम of different figures. So the first question: a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in term of pi. So the shape of cone is standing on a hemisphere. This is the hemisphere and this is the cone. So the radius r is equal to 1 centimeter and height of cone is equal to its radius. Height of cone is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid in term of pi. So the volume of solid is equal to volume of cone 1 by 3 phi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 over 3 pi r is 1 and h is 1 plus 2 by 3 pi r cube means 1 का cube. So equal to 1 by 3 pi plus 2 by 3 pi is equal to 3 by 3 pi is equal to pi. So this is the answer of this question. The volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square and the volume of the sphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Another question: Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at two ends. This is the cylindrical shape and the two cones are attached to its both ends. Using thin aluminum sheet, the diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. Diameter is 3 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 3 centimeter and the radius is equal to 3 by 2 centimeter. Length of the solid is 12 centimeter. Total length है. Length of solid is equal to 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. So the length of cylinder is equal to 12 minus the diameter of this, and if each cone has height 2 centimeter, minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 8 centimeter. 2 centimeter is the height of this cone and 2 centimeter height of this cone. Therefore, we less 2 and 2, 4 from 12. The length of the cylinder will be 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Find the volume of the air contained in the model. तो वॉल्यूम हम इसका निकालेंगे. तो वॉल्यूम is equal to volume of the both conical shapes, therefore multiply by 2, 1 by 3 pi r square h1 प्लस h जो है वो कॉन की हाइट प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर h जो है वो किसकी हाइट है, सिलेंडर की हाइट। तो इसको 2 नाम दे दिया, इसको 1 नाम दिया। सिलेंडर की हाइट h2 एंड कॉन की हाइट h1। पाई आर स्क्वायर, we take pi r square common, therefore in the bracket 2 by 3 h1 plus h2 pi r square 2 by 3 h1 is 2 plus h2 is 8, h2 is 8 and it will become pi r square 4 by 3 plus 8 equal to pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 3 by 2 and this is 24 and for 28 upon 3 we 2 and 2 3 से 3 it is equal to 66 centimeter cube, 66 centimeter cube, and this is also cube. 66 centimeter cube is the volume of the solid. Another question: a gulab jamun containing syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find the approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with 2 hemispherical ends and length 5 cm and diameter 2.8. So length of gulab jamun is equal to 5 centimeter. Diameter D is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Therefore R is equal to 1.4 centimeter. R is 1.4, length of gulab jamun this, and the length of cylinder is equal to 5 minus 2.8 is equal to 2.2 centimeter is the length of cylinder. Because this length is 1.4, this length is 1.4, total length is 2.8. We deduct 2.8 from 2.8 from 5, therefore the cylindrical shape length will be 2.2 centimeter. Then we will take the volume of gulab jamun. Volume है इसका pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, pi r square h plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. We add both. Then pi r square is common. H plus 4 by 3 r h equal to 22 upon 7 multiply by 1.4 multiply 1.4. H is 2.2 plus 4 by 3 1.4 equal to 2.10 is equal to 5, and this will multiply by 6.6 plus 5.6 upon 3. 6.16 multiply by 12.2 upon 3 is equal to 75.152 upon 3. %30 of contains sugar. About the sugar is equal to 30%. 30% of sugar equal to 75.152 upon 3 multiply by 30 and upon 100. Is equal to 75 10 equal to 7.5132 75.152 upon 10. Amount of sugar in 45 gulab jamuns is equal to 7.15132 multiply by 45 338.1840 is equal to 330. This is the amount of sugar in 1 gulab jamun. Amount of sugar in 1 गुलाब जामुन 30% है, तो 30% से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वॉल्यूम को, देन इट विल बिकम 7.5132 and we multiply it with 45, so it will become 338 centimeter cube. So thank you for watching.